Tacos, the king of Mexican food. Tacos are the most iconic Mexican food and one of the most popular dishes in the United States. Their history dates back centuries, when indigenous people in Mexico used corn tortillas to wrap freshly cooked food. Today, authentic tacos are usually made with soft corn tortillas filled with grilled meats like beef, chicken, pork, or fish, then topped with onions, fresh cilantro, salsa, and a squeeze of lime. Unlike many American versions, traditional Mexican tacos rarely include shredded cheese or sour cream. What makes tacos special is that every region of Mexico has its own unique style. From Baja's famous fish tacos to Mexico City's flavorful tacos al pastor, Americans eat billions of tacos every year, making them one of the country's favorite fast foods. In many Mexican cities, tacos are sold by street vendors late into the night, making them a favorite midnight snack for locals. Some restaurants even specialize in just one type of taco, perfecting the recipe over generations. Tacos are proof that a simple recipe can become a worldwide symbol of Mexican culture. Burritos, the ultimate portable meal. Burritos are one of the best-known Mexican-inspired foods in America. They originated in northern Mexico, where large flour tortillas were wrapped around fillings to create an easy meal for travelers and workers. A traditional burrito contains beans, rice, grilled meat, cheese, and vegetables, all tightly rolled into a soft flour tortilla. In the United States, burritos have become much larger, often including sour cream, guacamole, multiple cheeses, and extra sauces. Some restaurant burritos contain more than 1,500 calories, making them one of the most filling fast food meals available. California-style burritos often include French fries inside the wrap, while Mission-style burritos from San Francisco are known for their enormous size and generous fillings. Their convenient design and endless filling combinations have made burritos a favorite lunch and dinner option across America. Nachos, the snack, created by accident. Nachos have one of the most interesting origin stories in Mexican cuisine. In 1943, a restaurant manager named Ignacio Nacho Anaya created the dish after a group of hungry customers arrived when the kitchen was already closed. He quickly placed melted cheese and sliced jalapenos over tortilla chips, creating what became known as Nachos Special. Today, nachos are loaded with toppings such as seasoned beef, chicken, beans, guacamole, sour cream, tomatoes, salsa, and plenty of melted cheese. They have become one of America's favorite party foods, especially during football games and celebrations. Many stadiums across the United States sell giant trays of nachos during major sporting events, making them one of the highest-selling snack foods. The secret to great nachos is serving them immediately, while the chips stay crispy and the cheese remains perfectly melted. Nachos show how an unexpected moment of creativity can produce a dish loved around the world. Quesadillas. Crispy outside, cheesy inside. Quesadillas are one of the simplest yet most satisfying Mexican dishes. Their name comes from the Spanish word queso, meaning cheese. Traditionally, a tortilla is folded over cheese and grilled until the outside becomes crispy while the cheese melts inside. Many modern versions also include chicken, steak, mushrooms, peppers, onions, or vegetables. Interestingly, in some parts of Mexico, people order quesadillas without cheese unless they specifically request it, which surprises many tourists. Quesadillas are popular because they cook in just a few minutes, making them a quick meal for busy families. They are also easy to customize, allowing everyone to choose their favorite fillings and flavors. Their crispy texture, gooey filling, and quick preparation have made quesadillas one of the most popular comfort foods in both Mexico and the United States. Enchiladas, a dish filled with history. Enchiladas trace their origins back to ancient Mexican civilizations that wrapped food inside corn tortillas. Today, tortillas are filled with chicken, beef, cheese, beans, or vegetables before being rolled, covered in flavorful chili sauce, and baked until hot. Different sauces create different varieties, including red enchiladas made with dried chilies, green enchiladas made with tomatillos, and rich mole enchiladas topped with a complex sauce containing chocolate, spices, seeds, and peppers. Authentic mole sauce can contain over 30 ingredients and may take several hours to prepare. Many Mexican families have their own secret enchilada sauce recipes that are passed down from one generation to the next. The rich aroma and colorful sauces make enchiladas one of the most visually appealing dishes on any dinner table. Enchiladas represent centuries of culinary tradition and remain a favorite family meal across Mexico and the United States. Tamales, the ancient wrapped meal. Tamales are one of Mexico's oldest traditional foods, dating back more than 2,000 years to the Aztec and Maya civilizations. They are made by spreading corn-based masa dough around fillings such as pork, chicken, beef, cheese, beans, vegetables, or even sweet fruits. The mixture is wrapped inside a corn husk or banana leaf and steamed until fully cooked. Preparing tamales is often a family tradition, especially during Christmas, Dia de los Muertos, and other celebrations where relatives gather to make hundreds together. Because they take hours to prepare by hand, tamales are considered a symbol of patience, family, and Mexican heritage. In many households, making tamales is a full-day event where everyone helps with wrapping, filling, and steaming. Their unique wrapping not only keeps the filling moist, but also makes tamales easy to carry and enjoy on the go. Churros, Mexico's favorite sweet treat. Churros are one of the most famous desserts, enjoyed in Mexico and throughout the United States. They are made by piping dough into hot oil until golden and crispy, then coating them in cinnamon sugar. Many modern churros are filled with chocolate, caramel, vanilla cream, or dulce de leche, making them even more delicious. Their crunchy exterior and soft, fluffy interior create the perfect combination of textures. Churros are commonly sold by street vendors, amusement parks, fairs, and dessert shops, and they taste best when served fresh because they quickly lose their crispiness after cooling. Some dessert shops even create giant churros, or colorful versions covered with sprinkles and flavored sugars. A warm cup of hot chocolate is often served alongside churros, creating one of the most beloved dessert combinations in Mexican culture. Guacamole, the ancient avocado. Dip guacamole is one of Mexico's most famous and healthiest foods, with origins dating back to the ancient Aztec civilization. It is traditionally made by mashing ripe avocados with onions, tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and sometimes jalapenos. The creamy texture and fresh flavor make it a perfect companion for tortilla chips, tacos, burritos, grilled meats, and many other dishes. Lime juice helps slow the natural browning process caused by oxidation, keeping guacamole fresh for longer. Every year, Americans consume millions of pounds of guacamole during the Super Bowl, making it one of the country's most popular party foods. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and fiber, making guacamole one of the few party dips that is both delicious and nutritious. Many chefs also add ingredients like mango, pomegranate, roasted corn, or even bacon to create exciting modern versions of this ancient recipe. Guacamole proves that an ancient recipe can remain a modern favorite around the world.